Yeah, I don't know. Guys, I got about 30 minutes left. If you want any music played whatsoever, come up and request some. Cass, thank you for having me. What a phenomenal event. I can't wait to show all of my friends what's going on. I've already had a couple people comment on my Snap story saying, "What is this?" I'm like, "You're telling me." No, this is an art of its own. It's just phenomenal. I don't know, it's mesmerizing.
For me, or wait, right? Yeah. Because these are very much like,
I believe in your triple set. No way to show that off to the world. Show off the triple Yeah, like you have to get the right height. I think he's tall enough to do it. I can actually use so you can really do it. I feel like that. You can really you just gotta get your elbows.
That little music so well.
I picked it.
That was sick. He's like, fuck off.
We all hydrated.